Hi, in this video we are going to do a little task. The task name is traffic light program. You need to write a program to control traffic lights, test it on simulator, download the program in microcontroller, and you need to use three LEDs to demonstrate the working of the program. Now, the sequence in which the traffic lights work, the red comes on for 14 seconds, amber is off, green is off. Red stays on for another 5 seconds and the amber light simultaneously comes on for 5 seconds. Green stays off. Then red and amber go off and green comes on for 10 seconds. Then green goes off and amber comes on for 5 seconds. Then again amber goes off and red comes on for 14 seconds. The program repeats itself. It should be working like this. I've increased the speed, so we'll write this program. However, the Arduino Uno our 3-pin configuration, we are going to use port D2, D3, and D4. These port D2, D3, and D4, they correspond to digital pin 2, pin 3, and pin 4. So I've connected the D3, D4, D2, D3, D4. I've connected three LEDs, red, amber, and green. So let's start with the programming. New Arduino embedded project. The first thing we do is that we go on to the component library. From the outputs tab, we select three LEDs. So we are going to select only one LED and then copy it down. Scale it. Okay. We got three LEDs. We are going to change their properties. So the top one should be red in color. and we are going to connect it to port D, pin number 2. The green one will be connected to port D, pin number 4, and the color should be green. Okay. We haven't selected for the time being. We'll come back to it and we'll select it and put it on port D3. However, we go on to the programming, put in a loop, set an output, and we are going to use chip references. Variable output should be 1. 1 means the light will come on, and we are going to send this one to port D2 so that the red light comes on. Now it should stay on for 14 seconds, so we are going to put in a delay of 14 seconds. 14 and select seconds. So what I've done is I've copied output and delay and pasted them underneath, and now here I'm going to change their values. So after 14 seconds, the amber light should come on. Amber light is on port D3, so I send 1 to D3 and it should stay on for 5 seconds. Okay, after 5 seconds, both the lights must go off. So I'm going to send 0 to port D2 and port D3. And the green light should come on, and green is connected on port D4. And it should stay on for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, it must go off. So 0 goes to 4, and Amber should come on. So I send one to port B3 and Amber should stay on for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, Amber should go off. I send 0 to Amber. Amber is on B3. When the Amber goes off, the red should come on the top, which is what is back on. So the program will repeat itself. I'm still unable to select this. There you are. So this should be port D3 and the color should be amber. Okay, let's we have written down the program. Okay, D2, D3, D4. So let's debug the program. Play it. Red comes on. It stays on for 14 seconds. Amber stays on for 5 seconds and then green comes on for 10 seconds. Amber back on, green is off, and red comes on. So there you are. So let's stop the program. Whenever there is in the exam also, there will be some tasks written in words. So you have to think how you have to implement it. Generally in words it might look difficult, but once you put your mind to it, you'll find that it is not so difficult. So we are going to transfer it into the microcontroller. Programming port com3 modify map compile to target should be saved. So let's give it a name of traffic light. I see traffic lights 1. Okay. Compiling starts. Xfile successful and programming successful. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Red red amber, both off, green on. Green goes off and the amber comes on, and then amber goes off and red comes on. I hope this will help you. I'll see you in the next lesson.